In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add song on WhatsApp status. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then just swipe to the right, and then you can tap at that icon to use some photo from your camera roll, or you can tap at create to set some colored background as a background for your story. I'm gonna choose that one, and now we need to tap at stickers icon and select music sticker. After that, we can choose any song from here in this way. After that, we can select some specific part of this song we would like to use in our WhatsApp status. Also, we can after tapping at done, we can change the position of that music sticker. We can move it around, and once we've done with that, all we have to do is just save this story as a video file to our camera roll. To do that, tap at these three dots and then select save. After the video file has been saved, we can hop out Instagram and open up WhatsApp. Then go to status, then my status, and then just choose the video we have just saved, and also we can add a caption for our status. And all we have to do now in order to share it is just tap at that button. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.